Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your honey farm. Now, if you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't familiar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go and see how it works for you and your small business. Sweet. Let's get cracking building a website for our honey farm. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. However, if you've just stumbled across this video and you don't even have a honey farm, you have another small business and you can't find the template over here, do comment below and let us know and we will make sure that we add it. I'm now going to search for the honey farm market at the top. Let's search for honey farm. There you go. Okay, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our honey farm so it can work its magic and launch a one-page website for us. I'm now going to call this Rochelle's Honey Farm. I love that. Let's put our city in and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. I'm now going to change this type of business to a service and click on continue. Great. And there you have it. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me in literally less than a minute. It looks absolutely awesome, very professional. Look at that. Wow. Great. So now the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. You can see they are very high quality. And the great thing about it is they are free to use, license free. You don't need to worry about anything like that. We've wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your honey farm. Now, perhaps the content you want to make a few amendments, perhaps the images you have some of your own, and that's completely okay. It is easy to amend, and I'm going to walk you through each section, starting from the top to the bottom, work my way through, and just give you a little bit of a look and a feel of how the service works. You don't need to be a web developer, you don't need to hire a web developer, you don't even need to know any coding. Gone are the days where you need to know coding to launch your own website. Great. So let's get into it. I'm now going to click on update section at the top, and I'm now going to go ahead and put in my email address. I'm now going to say show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner so customers can easily get in touch with me. Phone number, let's go ahead and put that in over there. That is click to call in the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead and put in our address and our postal code. Now, when customers click on that address on the top left-hand corner, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your honey farm. Sweet. Let's move along. Let's go ahead and click save and head to update social links. Now over here, I'm going to pop in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how you're enjoying the Marty Sites service. We'd love to engage and let us know your feedback. We'd love to hear it. Let's go ahead and put in the LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Icons will be displayed in the top right-hand corner of our social media page on our website, and customers can easily go to our social media accounts to give us a follow, see what we're up to. Let's go ahead and click on save and close and move along. Now, perhaps the colors that have been pre-selected for your Marty Sites page just don't quite work for you in your branding. Perhaps your business cards, signage throughout your farm is a completely different color to this, although this one that is pre-selected is pretty neutral, I'd say. However, maybe we want something completely different, and that's okay. You don't need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner of your Marty Sites page and go through the various color palette options that are available. I'm going to select this one as yellow goes with honeys and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave it as that. And as you can see, it's now used throughout my Marty Sites page and it looks really awesome. Very happy with that. Love the colors. Goes very well. Great. So I'm now going to head to the top And over here, I'm going to click on update section and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't quite have a logo yet because you've recently launched your business or you bought your honey farm and you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here until you get a logo, and it still looks really great. So don't stress too much about that. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. So I'm going to select the Mighty Sites logo and upload that one. I'm now going to click on save. Awesome. So we can make that bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. Very happy with that. And I'm going to click on save logo and move on. Now again, pre-written content, pre-selected images, all high quality, and they are free to use. However, if you want to change this section and the button where it links you, head on over to update section. Let's head to update image. If you do have some great pictures of your honey farm, go ahead and browse from your device and upload them here. Otherwise, go ahead and search through the photo library. There are hundreds of different images to choose from. Mighty Sites will automatically search for a honey farm. However, you can play around with the terms. So I'm going to go ahead and put in honey bee and see what comes up. Remember, all these images are free to use. That looks really great. I like it, but I love this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. And there's no fees involved for the images. All you need to do is pay the $9 a month for your Mighty Sites website. But there is that free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed for the free trial. So click on the link below this video. You have nothing to lose. Sign up and see how it goes and how easy it is to use. Let's go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, that looks absolutely amazing. Very happy with it. I'm now going to close. And then I'm going to head to update content. Now over here, you can amend the title and subtitle, which is this section over here. And you can change that button to link to various other places. But for this one, I don't want people to get in touch with me. I want to say get directions to my honey farm. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the link. You can link to another website, or you can link to another part of your Mighty Sites page, perhaps the lead form at the bottom, which I'm just going to get to in just a second. However, you can also link to an action like click to core directions. So I'm going to select directions for this one. However, there is another great option, which is one of my favorites, is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have information about your honey farm, maybe a little bit of background story in a PDF file or specials, any information like a tour. Go ahead and pop them in a PDF file, upload it there. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Very nifty. Let's go ahead and click on confirm and save our content. There we go. Looks absolutely awesome. Let's move along. Now, again, over here, pre-written content button can link to various places. Go ahead and update section and make your amendments. It's super simple. On to the next section. Here we've made our way to the about us section. Over here, put a little bit more details of how your honey farm came to be, how you got into the industry, all the different variants of honey you offer, how you source it. Do you offer educational tours for visitors? Put all the information over here. Your customers would love to hear your story and how you got started in the honey farm industry. And again, over here, this image can be amended. Search the photo library or upload one of your own. However, I think this picture is absolutely stunning. It's so high quality and it is free to use. So I'm going to leave it as is. Lovely. Let's move along. Again, over here, a great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and upload one of your own by clicking on update section over here. Otherwise, leave it as is. I really love this image. It's stunning. It's clear. It's high resolution. Very, very beautiful. I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. On to the next section. Over here, services section. Put a little bit more details of what you offer. Do you offer skincare products as well, confectionery, condiments? Put all the details here, all the services that you offer. Another great spot for a high quality image. However, I think this is absolutely stunning as well, so I'm leaving it. If you need to make amendments, go ahead to update section, click on that and give it a go. Awesome. We've made our way onto the last section of our Mighty Sites Honey Farm page, the get in touch form, lead form for your customers. If your customers want to get in touch with you, all they need to do is fill in a few basic details here, their name, their email, their phone number, and pop their message in and click send. A great question we always get asked is when my customers fill in this form, how will I know? Where will the message go? Those are great questions. You will get notified via email when a lead comes via this form. You can also find it in the client dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our Honey Farm website that we've just created on the Mighty Sites platform. Very professional, very easy to amend, make those changes. I haven't need to know any coding. I didn't need to hire a web developer. It's amazing, and it's only $9 a month. Give that free trial a go. Click on the link below this video. So I'm now going to head to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head to the site dashboard, and over here is where we can find the leads from that form that I've just shown you on the previous page. If you want to connect your domain, go ahead and do so over here via connect a domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available, a step-by-step guide on that on how to link your domain. It's super easy. There's also a blog post over at www.mightysites.com, and there's also some great marketing tips on how to market your small business. You'll find some helpful information on our blog, so check it out. If you're struggling to link your domain still, drop us a message and we will link it for you. You don't need to worry. We will do all the hard work. We will link your domain for you and connect it. You don't need to struggle or battle. Just let us know. Great. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your honey farm on the Mighty Sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any tips, suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites website, comment below and let us know. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video.